Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps, websites, or even smart devices understand what to do? That's where programming languages come in. These are the invisible tools developers use to talk to computers. A programming language is a formal way to give instructions to a computer so it can perform specific tasks. Just like human languages help us communicate with one another, programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript help programmers build everything from games and mobile apps to websites and software systems. For example, when a developer builds a weather app, they might use JavaScript for the interface, Python for data processing, and SQL to fetch weather information from a database. Each language has its strengths. Python is loved for its simplicity and readability. C++ offers control over system hardware, and Java is widely used for cross-platform mobile apps. Whether you're a student, a tech enthusiast, or someone curious about how the digital world works, understanding the basics of programming languages opens the door to creativity, logic, and endless possibilities in tech. Like, comment, and subscribe for more simplified tech insights, and for full details, check the blog post in the description.